The Hisingy Sunray FPV drone caters well to beginners with its user-friendly design and stable flight performance. The drone's lightweight frame and durable build make it easy to handle for those new to the world of FPV, first-person view, flying. Equipped with a reliable camera, the Sunray provides decent video quality for its price range, allowing beginners to experience immersive FPV flights. The intuitive remote control and straightforward calibration process make it accessible for those just starting out, reducing the learning curve associated with flying FPV drones. The drone's altitude hold feature enhances stability during flights, contributing to a smoother experience for beginners who may be adjusting to the controls. The modular design of the Sunray also facilitates easy repairs and maintenance, adding to its overall user-friendly appeal. However, the Sunray does have its limitations. While suitable for beginners, more advanced users may find its features somewhat basic. The drone's flight time is average, and the range might be limiting for those seeking longer distance exploration. In conclusion, the Hisingy Sunray FPV drone is an excellent choice for beginners dipping their toes into the world of FPV flying. Its simplicity, durability, and stable flight performance make it a reliable option to learn and enjoy the basics of FPV drone piloting.